Hi everyone. Well, just an impromptu follow-up for the Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp here in Toronto, as it's now gone. Well, for the most part. It's halfway, pretty much almost to say 70% destroyed. The majority of the section that actually leads out to the actual Gardiner that connects it to the Gardiner is now entirely gone. Whereas now you have a lot of the structure of the ramp itself that just is left to be cleared. It's only been 10 days since the actual closure of the ramp, so they're not wasting any time. And it's also, yes, curious to see what they're gonna do with this section of Toronto, as I said before. And I'm gonna have some follow-up videos looking at what's going on with the project beyond here in the Lower Don Basin, which is really a massive project for Toronto. So we might as well explore that as well soon. So enjoy some video of the final destruction of the Logan Avenue on-ramp and off-ramp here in Toronto. No on-ride POVs or off-ride POVs this time, as obviously that can't happen anymore, sadly.